Hello friends, welcome to Interior Decor Designs. Walkways in your backyard or those approaching the front of your home are both visual and functional in purpose. They help direct individual along the path you have selected, keep them far from other areas and develop appealing options to enhance the curb appeal and overall appearance of your house. Whether you are planning to upgrade your existing walkway or perhaps create a complete brand new walkway in your property, these amazing backyard walkway ideas will be sure to give direction and inspiration. A walkway is much more than simply an area to stroll from the sideway to a house or building. It will make up an immensely important component of the scenic landscape inside your front or backyard. Just like the driveway, nobody is able to stay away from getting a walkway installed. Since it is essential, you might as well make it look as appealing as possible. A walkway should be both aesthetic and functional in design. It must be eye-catching and one of the primary features that individuals notice whenever they look in your yard. A plain straight walkway is similar to a neutral colored home with no bold color or maybe fascinating designs. When designing a new pathway, your walkway ideas should flow with your home overall design scheme. A walkway to your front door must be welcoming and easy for your guests to navigate. The options abound whether you are deciding on front walkway ideas or need to design the perfect garden path. You can build many walkway ideas in a day or two without costing a fortune. Certain types of paths, such as stone paver walkway, are easy for even beginning DIYers. If you have a concrete walkway in mind, you may still be able to do much of the work yourself, even if you haven't worked with concrete before. Your choice of outdoor walkway design is yet another place to honor your signature style. A beautiful front path can significantly increase your home's curb appeal. When it's time to sell your small investment of time and money, you could reap big rewards. Along with being appealing, the walkway has to be completely effective. For starters, it ought to offer simple access to the front door. No one loves a path that travels the longest distance out of the sidewalk on the door. Build one that offers the easiest and shortest course to the entrance. Some homes are made on slopes, therefore it is harder to build stable walkway. Let be simple for everybody to stroll on your path, particularly somebody who is disabled or elderly. Add stairs and steps to avoid individual from slipping on the walkway. Once it rains, a sloped walkway gets to be more slippery, making it much easier for individual to tumble down. If an accident happens on your property, any individual is able to sue you for liability damages. It seems like an inconvenience to set up steps, but it is more so to contend with lawsuits and accidents. Make your walkway secure and effective for everybody who uses it. Next, there's the type of material to set up. Concrete pathways are discovered in many suburban homes and industrial buildings. It is popular since it is less complicated to get and constructed workers think it is less difficult to work with. Concrete isn't the sole material offered. Additionally, there are paths made of wood, plastic, stone, metallic, or even vinyl. Any material which can be used on roof can be used on the path. Several individuals love to polish the surface area of the material to ensure it mirrors the sunlight. Others love to mix match various materials. For example, a limestone walkway might have polished core pieces across the borders. A stamped concrete path can resemble the appearance of wood but keep the sturdiness of concrete. A lifeless rubber path is usually enlivened with LED lights, which instantly switch on at night. Along with selecting the material, consider how much of the design you wish to customize. Several companies let you mix color or even create personalized designs that are noticeable to anybody who walk up to your home. Friends, if you are enjoying these designs and ideas on modern walkway designs, then you should definitely consider to subscribe to our YouTube channel and be a part of our YouTube family. On Interior Decor Designs, our aim is to show interior decoration and design ideas to our subscriber and make them aware of modern interior decoration design. If you want more design ideas on interior and exterior design, then you can check out our website interiordecordesigns.in and also download our Android app to get the latest design ideas according to your choice. You will find all the link in the description box below this video. Also follow us on our social media profiles like Facebook, Pinterest, Instagram and Telegram. Upcycling wooden pallet is an innovative method to make a lovely pallet walkway, improving the look and design of your lawn in an easy and inexpensive way. A walkway or even stepping stone pathway within your backyard is able to assist you better enjoy your outside space. Brick is ideal for outside walkway because it provides unique look that elegant and attractive. Nevertheless, brick is better when used in gentle climate and will have to be sealed every year to help you prevent some water penetration. Pavers are usually used for path and walkway and can be available in numerous different materials. Concrete, clay tile, brick and stone are usually used as pavers, which make them both low and durable maintenance. Regular cut stones might be placed down across your lawn or garden to create a path wherever you want. These are popular selection for fast stone walkway ideas as they are both easy and inexpensive to do yourself. Concrete slabs, pavers and stamped concrete blocks are usually utilized for constructing strong walkways. Concrete is a popular choice since they can stand as much as adverse environmental conditions and be personalized to get the appearance you want. With coloring technique, molding and stamping, you can get a customized look that's special to your yard. You would like your walkway to connect with your surrounding architecture, specifically the home itself. When it does not easily fit in with the surrounding architecture, it will stick out like a sore thumb. While you would like for your walkway to be gorgeous, you also don't want it to stick out. It must blend with its environment in a contemporary manner. We have discovered that flagstone or bluestone all work properly for colonial homes that we generally see around. When you reside in contemporary style home, you may still pick another purely natural stone options but in color or texture, which is much more streamlined in appearance. It is essential to find material and contemporary complementary colors when producing your stone walkway design. You need to make your walkway about your feet wide. This enables two adults to comfortably walk side by side without jockeying for a place or even being forced to walk single file as though they had been back in elementary school. 5 feet wide is much better. It makes a pleasant quantity of room for guests to traverse the course. Landscape lighting is additionally a tremendously critical section of your respective stone walkway design. You will find numerous different options out there, but the key is not to draw a substantial focus on the path lights. You need them to serve their goal of making the path simpler to navigate, but you do not want the lighting fixtures to stand out. One mistake we generally see happens when homeowners use way too many lights. You do not wish to make your walkway look like an airport runway. A well-crafted pathway is probably the first introduction to the house, guiding guests for your front door in a type that hints at what is to come. When developing a brand new pathway, Your paver walkway ideas must run together with your home general design scheme. A walkway to the front door has to be inviting and simple for your visitors to navigate. The choice abound whether you are choosing front walkway ideas or maybe have to design the best garden path ideas. Friends, hope you like this video on modern walkway design ideas, and for more such videos don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and also click the bell icon so that you never miss any future updates. For the latest and trending interior decoration designs, visit our website interiordecordesigns.in and check out the latest trend in interior decoration. Alternatively, you can also follow us on our social media profiles like Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, Telegram, Pinterest from the link in the description box below. If you want to take interior decoration design ideas in your pocket and on your smartphone, then you can download our app available on Play Store from the link in the description box below. With this, we finish this video here. We'll meet again soon in the next one. Till then, bye and take care.